Good morning, Teacher Robert. Good morning, classmates. This is our report. Weather disturbances. According to the World Meteorological Organization, a weather disturbance is a change in any atmospheric condition or weather pattern. It may bring about heavy rain, floods, and strong winds, creating severe weather conditions and sometimes cause casualties. Pag-asa. The Philippine Atmospheric Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration provides weather forecasts, warnings, and other services to help protect people and property from natural disasters. Types of weather disturbances. Tropical cyclones, tornadoes, and thunderstorms are some of the types of weather disturbances that affect people in different parts. Tropical cyclone. A tropical cyclone is a rapidly rotating storm characterized by a low pressure area, strong winds, and organized thunderstorms, which produce heavy rain. A hurricane is a large rotating storm that forms in the tropics. When a hurricane occurs in the South Pacific Ocean and in the Indian Ocean or in the southern hemisphere, it is called a cyclone. In the Philippines and other areas in the Northwest Pacific Ocean, it is known as typhoon. The development of tropical cyclones in the Philippines peaks in July. The Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale categorizes the potential damage a hurricane can cause based on its sustained wind speed. Thunderstorm. A thunderstorm is a dangerous weather disturbance characterized by heavy rains, thunder, and lightning that lasts for a short period. Thunder is the sharp, rumbling sound, while lightning is a bright flash of electricity. A warm, humid condition is favorable for the development of a thunderstorm. Tornado. A tornado is another violent storm with powerful thunderstorms that can strike quickly and without warning. It is a funnel-shaped rotating air that forms from a thunderstorm. Its swirling winds may reach up to 480 kilometers. I will be now passing the report to Zach.
Classification of tropical cyclone. A tropical cyclone goes through different stages before it fully develops. As a weathering disturbance, the first stage in the development of a tropical cyclone involves a rapidly rotating mass of thunderstorm. Around the low pressure area, the intensity of tropical cyclone varies to Pagasa classifies them based on their degree of intensity. Tropical depression. When the tropical disturbance becomes stronger and the wind begins to spiral toward the center of low pressure area, it creates moisture that forms the so-called eye, developing into a tropical depression. A tropical depression is composed of a group of thunderstorms with a maximum sustained wind that is less than 62 kilometers per hour kph or less than 34 nautical miles per hour knots. Tropical storm. A tropical storm is composed of organized system of strong thunderstorms with an intense circulation of winds near the center, and of rainfall forming into distinct bands. It had the ability to become an even greater threat when it managed to sustain a maximum wind speed of 62 to 88 kph, or 34 to 47 knots. Subtropical storm. A tropical storm becomes a subtropical storm when its winds reach a maximum speed of 89 to 117 kph, or 48 to 63 knots. Now I will pass this report to Nigel.
Typhoon. A tropical storm becomes a typhoon when the air movements form around the eye of the low pressure area and reach a wind speed of 118 to 184 kilometers per hour, or 64 to 99 knots. A typhoon is characterized by huge waves, harsh winds, tremendous rainfall, and subsequent flooding. Super typhoon. A tropical cyclone with the maximum wind speed exceeding 185 kilometers per hour, or more than 100 knots is classified as a super typhoon. Formation of a typhoon. Warm ocean water heats the air, causing evaporation and creating a spinning low pressure system. As the warm air rises, more air rushes in, strengthening winds and forming thunderstorms. The system strengthens over the ocean but weakens when it reaches land or colder water. Thank you.
Earthspan.
Hello, weather enthusiasts and curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the dynamic world of weather disturbances, those powerful forces that shape our atmosphere and impact our lives in profound ways. Join me as we unravel the mysteries of different types of weather disturbances, from gentle breezes to ferocious storms. Let's dive in. Winds and breezes. Our journey begins with the ever-present force of wind. Winds play a significant role in our weather, transporting heat, moisture, and even pollutants. From gentle breezes that provide relief on a hot day to trade winds that guide ships across oceans, wind is a vital component of Earth's atmospheric circulation. High and low pressure systems. Next up, we have high and low pressure systems, which are fundamental to weather patterns. High pressure areas are associated with clear skies and calm conditions, while low pressure areas often bring clouds, precipitation, and potentially stormy weather. Thunderstorms and lightning. Thunderstorms are electrifying displays of nature's power, characterized by lightning, thunder, heavy rain, and sometimes even tornadoes. These atmospheric disturbances form when warm, moist air rises, cools, and condenses, releasing energy and triggering a chain reaction of atmospheric events. Tropical cyclones and hurricanes. One of the most formidable weather disturbances is the tropical cyclone. Known as hurricanes in the Atlantic and typhoons in the Pacific, these massive storms form over warm ocean waters, gaining energy and intensity as they move across the water's surface. Their powerful winds and heavy rainfall can cause widespread devastation. Tornadoes, nature's twisters. tornadoes are perhaps the most iconic and destructive weather disturbances. These swirling columns of air can cause incredible damage in a matter of minutes. Tornadoes form when cold, dry air collides with warm, moist air, creating a spinning vortex of air. They can range in size from small funnels to massive twisters. Winter storms and blizzards. In colder regions, winter storms and blizzards bring their own set of challenges. These disturbances bring heavy snowfall, freezing temperatures, and strong winds that can lead to reduced visibility, icy roads, and dangerous travel conditions. Droughts and heat waves. While not as visibly dramatic, droughts and heat waves are equally impactful weather disturbances. Droughts result from prolonged periods of below-average rainfall, causing water shortages and affecting agriculture. Heat waves bring extreme temperatures that can strain resources and endanger health. And there you have it, an enlightening journey through the different types of weather disturbances that shape our planet. From gentle breezes to powerful storms, these forces remind us of the dynamic and interconnected nature of Earth's atmosphere. If you found this exploration of weather disturbances as fascinating as I did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more informative content, and share your thoughts, weather experiences, or questions in the comments below. Until our next atmospheric adventure, stay weather-wise and stay curious. Once again, this is Earth Pen. Learning has never been this easy, for anyone, anywhere.